Good afternoon. We are the students of KV BSF Dabla Jaisalmer, Class 11 Science. We are participating in Viksit Bharat Build-a-thon 2025-2026 and the theme of our project is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Myself, Vanshika Jain. Myself, Manoj Shah.
Myself, Sita Kumawat.
Myself, Moti Singh Bhati.
Myself, Sandeep Kumar.
Theme of our project is Atmanirbhar Bharat and the topic is low-cost portable diagnostic tools for rural clinics. So there are many problems which are faced by local people and villagers of our country.
As we all know, Jaisalmer is a very backward area in terms of technology and infrastructure. Due to being a border state, this district of Rajasthan faces severe health problems, mainly in rural areas of Jaisalmer. This causes the following issue. First is the lack of healthcare facilities. Second is due to large distances between hospitals and lack of healthcare services. So the death of patient occurs mid-transport and most of the serious cases are referred to Jodhpur. Third is the deficient medical equipment and infrastructure.
Out of the problems that were stated beforehand, this is the most concerning problem, and it is the large distance between the the hospitals of Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. As we know, Jaisalmer does not have proper infrastructure or healthcare services, and that causes limitations in the treatments. And because of that, most serious cases are transferred to Jodhpur. Now, the main problem is distance between Jaisalmer and Jodhpur is around 288 km, and it will take 5 hours, which is more than enough time for serious and fatal cases, still patients to die. And we aim to work towards this.
As we know that major patients of the Jaisalmer are shifted to refer to the Jodhpur due to lack of equipment and health facilities. There are the major cases in the Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. First, the general medicine. In Jaisalmer, common illness like fever, cough, infection are there. In Jodhpur, several infections dengue with complications, sepsis are there. Secondly, emergency and trauma. Minor changes, first aid, fractures and small burns are commonly present in Jaisalmer, and in Jodhpur, major road accidents, head injuries and spinal trauma are there. Thirdly, maternal health. Normal deliveries, prenatal and postnatal checkups. In Jodhpur, high risk pregnancies, premature birth and complicated C-sections are there. Fourthly, child health. In Jaisalmer, routine illness, vaccination and mild malnutrition is there, and in Jodhpur, critical illness, respiratory distress and people needing intensive care. At last, there is orthopedic and surgical. In Jaisalmer, minor surgeries and bone fractures are there. In Jodhpur, major surgeries and advanced trauma surgery is there.
These problems are very common in other parts of our country as well. A few of the solutions for these problems have been listed below. The first is strengthening medical equipment and infrastructure. This is a crucial step to bridge the present lack of patients mid-transport because equipment handling and provision in government hospitals of Jaisalmer with improved and better medical equipment is needed for this. Second, community health hub and spoke model. Under this model, smaller healthcare centers in villages and remote areas are connected to a central, well-equipped hospital through telemedicine and rapid referral system. This ensures faster diagnosis, better coordination and timely treatment. Third, deployment of telemedicine services. Telemedicine can help connect rural patients to specialized doctors located in larger cities. It reduces time travel, provides consultation and improve overall health accessibility. At last, I would like to conclude that every problem has a solution and these problems can be solved if we, the people of India, work together for making our India more independent.